Hi, my name is Sir Hunningham, and in this video, we will learn how to make a video speed react to the audio. For this you will need two plugins, Twixtor and Sound Keys. This is the final result. Open a new composition and create with whatever dimensions you want. I will go for 1080p and 60 frames per second because I can afford it. Okay, so first of all, you can go on this website called Beeple. You can find a lot of videos to loop and have fun with. Next, import that video onto your project. If the size of the video is too small, you can resize it. Right click on it and choose transform, then fit to comp. Now that everything works, we have to remap the layer so it can be looped as much as we want. Right click on the video layer and select time and time remapping. You will have a set of 2 keyframes created on your layer. Do not touch it even if you're tempted. You can now change the length of your layer by dragging its end. Hold click on the time remapping stopwatch to create an expression. In the expression field you can type LOOPOUT open parenthesis quote cycle quote close parenthesis. This will make the video loop after the keyframes, meaning it will repeat as long as it has the layer space. Great. Now we should make sure our layer is longer than our song. For my part, 1 will make it long enough so I never have to worry about. So about 5 minutes. Let's rename our composition. Drag this composition onto the new composition icon to create another composition with the same settings. Of course, since we are behave people, we will rename this new composition. I will name it final composition and we'll use it for rendering. After you've imported your song, you can drag and drop it into the final composition. Create a new adjustment layer. We will use this layer as a Sound Keys interface. You can rename it Sound Keys. If you're a perfectionist like me, simply apply the Sound Keys effect to it now. First thing to edit is the audio layer, which will be the MP3 we just imported onto the composition. Then, look up for the drops or the parts you want to make the sound react to the video and create a rectangle around it on the range 1. If you don't know how Sound Keys work, please refer to my other tutorials. Once you're done, simply press apply. The effect will scan the sound within your work area. When it's done, you can hide the Sound Keys layer. Press U on it to reveal the modified keyframes. On your looping composition, add the Twixtor effect. I will go for the Pro effect because it gives me more control. Use your GPU for faster rendering. I don't have a lot of memory, so I'm unchecking this caching. On frame interpolation, use the option nearest. Add motion blur to the motion blur compensation to make it look cool. I will use a value of 1. When you're done, ALT+LEFT click on the speed stopwatch. This will open the expression on the speed value. Listen carefully. We will type the following code, value plus, open parenthesis, and then we pick whip the value of the output 1 on the Sound Keys layer, and then we multiply it by 5 and finally close the parenthesis. There we go. The rendering will be quite long because the video is looped, but it will speed up the video whenever there is a drop.